Here's another stupid project, but what my goal is today is to fit full-size spare into the Gen 3 Prius. You can melt this thing with a heat gun, so I'm gonna give it a go. I'll make videos, so we'll see. Super interesting, I'm sure. So the goal with heat gun and plastic is to heat it up, but not to make it shiny like I did right there. I've got mine set at 500 degrees, which is max, because this is made for soldering, not for this particular application. And you don't want to stay on one spot too long because it will end up actually melting, and you just kind of want the material to release. Still got a long ways to get that down, but this part back here is fine. This part's pretty good. So it really is just this rear thing, because you've got to get this down low enough to expose this locking slot, and that means it's settled if it's not that far. Good start. and she fits in 30 minutes.